Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karina and I'm SwatchQueen. I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm back and I'm gonna show you guys the new release from Pat McGrath, Bridgerton 2 collection. It was sent to me very late. I am pissed, okay? But they sent me an apology package, so yeah, they redeemed themselves. I love them again, okay? I hope they're gonna learn from this incident because a lot of people didn't receive their packages. Anyway, going back to the video, 2 minutes commercial, guys. Please take this moment to remind you guys about the ongoing sale. Ana Luisa is having another sale for Mother's Day. If you don't have an idea what to give your mom, your wife, your sister, your friends or neighbors, the moms that you love, Ana Luisa is doing another sale for Mother's Day. I'll tell you guys, Ana Luisa is the only jewelry that I wear on my channel. I love this pearl earrings and they sent me more earrings that are so pretty. Okay, I'm just gonna show you guys. These are just some of my favorites. These are new that they sent me. It looks like fasteners, but it has jewels, crystals. This one is the Rocks Pavé, my all-time favorite stuff. This one is a ring. And also this one, this band, is an eternity band. I actually put them together like that, but if that's too much for you, right beside it, it's so pretty. I also have this thin one, thin band ring. It's not an eternity, it's like half. It has crystals and it's so pretty. Sometimes I use this with my wedding band, replacing my wedding band. My wedding band is very tight. It's small now because I gained a lot of weight, so I put the thin one right here. So that's how I do the rings. These are super nice dangling earrings. These are my favorite right now for spring because the pearls are exactly the size that I want. It's not too big, it's not too small. It has a blue stone there. This by far my favorite right now. And then for my necklaces, I love this chain. I use just for simple occasion, t-shirt days, because it's not too thick and it's not too thin. You can still see it. This one is Ana Luisa too, and it's so simple. I thought it's gonna be too much, but it's not. Pendant is simple. Let me see, there you go. So these are my favorite Ana Luisa right now. By far, I highly recommend these earrings. It's so pretty. Get this, and they're real pearls. Super cute. I love pearls, you guys. These are my top favorite Ana Luisa jewelries. Check them out. They're good company. I love working with them. Thank you so much for listening. Now here's the video. I'm gonna start with preparation for my skin. I always use Huda Beauty Wishful. This one is the Thirst Trap Juice. This is my favorite hydration for my skin. You may feel that your skin is not dry until you use this product. My skin is thirsty. From Good Molecules, this is the silicone-free priming moisturizer. Just one pump. Okay, for my foundation, I'm going to use Pat McGrath since we're going to use a lot of Pat McGrath products. This is the Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. I am in the light medium 14. This foundation works so well when you use your fingers. So you use your fingers first and then use the sponge after. I don't have my mirror in front of me, so I'm just using the camera viewfinder. And then I'm gonna use the sponge. Pat McGrath concealer, this one is the light medium 12. My foundation is 14, my concealer is 12. So this is lighter, and I think this one is the peach tone because this color cancels out the darkness under my eye. It's not that bad, so I don't color conceal, color correct. It helps. The last thing I'm going to blend is the under eye because I want it a little bit drier. No, last thing is the nose because I want that line. All right, so I'm gonna blend here on my chin first. See that glow already here and here? I don't have any contour or bronzer from Pat McGrath, so what I'm gonna do is use something else. Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand is my favorite right now. It's so good. So what I do is I took off the sponge on top, but I have another one that has the sponge if I need it. So I put it on the palette, a very dense brush. This one is from BoxyCharm. So I start on my forehead. Happy Mother's Day, by the way. This is my Mother's Day video. What are you guys gonna do for Mother's Day? There is an understanding in the household that I don't do anything on Mother's Day. I don't lift a finger. I just enjoy myself and do stuff that makes me happy. Mother's Day is the only day that I am not a mother, but it is her day, Mommy's Day. Trust the process. I'm beating my face. It's been a while since I put makeup on. Okay, so that's my contour. I'm going to set my under eye. I honestly feel that the Pat McGrath foundation dries to powder, so it's not sticky at all. It's all set, but I still do it under my eyes. I am going to use my favorite powder. This is the Peach Perfect Translucent Mattifying Loose Setting Powder from Too Faced. I don't know if they still have this. I haven't been to Ulta. I used to love Too Faced, but there's so many products that are so much better than them, but this one is legit good. This is the best powder and it smells so good. I also noticed that this is sweet. It goes in my mouth, tastes like sugar. I don't know what they put here. Probably they put sugar, but it tastes so sweet. I'm setting my face right now. Okay, I used to have pores, like big pores here and here. They're gone. I use Laura Mercier around here, cover those pores, but I don't have them anymore. I feel like my skin product really good. I really want to share you guys what I use, but I understand that everybody has different skin type. Everybody has their own thing, and I believe that you have to find your own skin products. It's just your own journey. It's your very own journey. Pat McGrath doesn't have eyebrows, so I'm just gonna use Charlotte Tilbury. This one is the eyebrow cheat. Yeah, the brow cheat rose milk tea. It's my favorite. If you know La Dure, they specialize in rose tea. That's their specialty. There's the exact tea that I found on Amazon. It's Metropolitan Tea, good tea, and it's rose. Find that it's exactly the same. It's so good, and it's affordable compared to La Dure's tea. I can't speak French, but I don't know if it's La Dure, but that's how I pronounce it. I'll be back. I'll just finish this, just fill my brows. All right, I'm done filling my brows. I'm going to use the Makeup by Mario Master Eye Prep and Set in medium. This one looks like a concealer, but it's not a concealer. It's harder than concealer, so it's an eye prep. It has two concealers, setting powder right here. This one, the darker shade, I used on top of my eyebrow. I did that already, and then the lighter shade I use under my eyebrow to clean up and also to prep my eyelid. Use this technique with a flat brush. Blends the concealer very well. Also flattens the surface on your skin. All right, done. Let's go with the fun part. I want to do the blush first. Blushing Delights. This is what it looks like. It is a cardboard box. All right, the heart is called Champagne Venus. So this one is Budding Romance. Number 2 is Aphrodisia. This one, Berry Brilliance. I don't know if it's worth it because you have all these colors, so it's all skin kind of one palette type. Some people might have a problem with that because they won't be able to use the other colors. The blushes are not matte, they're marbled and they're baked. The highlighter too is baked and it's glittery, super glittery. All right, let's start with the blush. I'm gonna do the pink one, so pretty. I'm gonna put that right here. I'm gonna start a little bit, very pigmented, wow. So this pink has a blue undertone, and then I'm just gonna add the peach tone too. Wow, okay. I'll have to be careful with this one. Definitely the peach one is my color. That's for the medium. That's too much, okay. I'm gonna use the highlighter right here on top. Just use this brush. I'm digging on it. There we go. It's very glittery. It's flying everywhere right now. This highlighter is very glittery. All I can get from it is glitters. Do you guys see it? It's subtle, but it's very glittery. The blush is fine. It is not the blush that I go for though. It has a sheen to it. It's not matte. I like matte blush. This kind of blush brings out texture on your cheeks. I don't have texture, too much texture. If you have texture on your skin, this is a no-go. It looks like an old makeup box that is gonna sit on your vanity. So pretty. Color combination, I love the soft peach. So pretty. I got the body shimmer. I have two of them. I have the gold one and the pink one. I love the pink one, and Pat McGrath sent me the gold one. This is what it looks like. Same cardboard packaging. Puff. It has ribbon. Okay, so this is the gold one and this is the pink one. This is the pink. It has a different sheen, like a silver one, and this one is a gold one. It's more yellow. Thank you guys. Really want to see the eyeshadow because this is the prettiest product, I think. It is a card box. These are the smaller shadows. That's the size. It's so pretty. My daughter used this palette. I love this color. It's so sparkly, you guys. This is so special. I actually highly recommend this palette. It has two special shades, which I love. These and this one are still shimmer. It's so beautiful. This blue, so special when you put it on top of anything. It's like a topper that shifts. With my Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH31 Regency Romance. Have you guys seen the season 2? I've finished it, watched it, and marathoned it in one night. It's so good. What's her name? Kate is her name. I love Kate. She's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Her beauty, so beautiful. Her makeup, every scene is just so pretty. I love her makeup. Kind of disappointed that the Duke is not there. Not a single moment. Maybe they don't want to take the moment from the new love story. Can't wait for the next season. Season 3. Regency Romance. I'm using this. Okay, I'm gonna get the eyeshadow closer here because my eyes are actually more apart and I want them to get closer. So I'm gonna put the eyeshadow a little bit here. If you want the illusion to get more precise nose, get close here. Close banana, they call it. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I have a very soft voice when I do my makeup. I don't know why.
I like makeups.
I know you do.
I like doing makeups.
We have done super light application for this shade. Next shade with the same brush, I'm going to use this one. This is, hold on, let me figure it out. Forbidden Amor. Amor. Forbidden Amor. Forbidden Love. I am going to use this here, the edge. This shade is so pretty. It is a plum shade. I'm gonna get a smaller brush. It's like a pencil brush. I'm gonna take Forbidden Love again, Forbidden Amor, and run that under my eyes. So pretty. Next, I'm going to use Give Me Glow Glow Harder Glitter Shadow Primer. Just a dot for each eye. You don't need a lot. I start at the center and then move around to the side. It's gonna get sticky. And then I'm going to get this shade right here. This one is Diamond Desire. This shade is so pretty. Star of the show. Super nice. I love it. If you guys can only see in person, it's so pretty. All right, next I'm going to use this shade right here. It's called Refinement, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eyes. Yeah. Okay, so this is just blended a little bit up. Gently. Let the brush work. Don't add a lot of pressure. It looks like seamless. Okay, and then I'm gonna get the green shade, Beautiful Shift. Same brush. I'm gonna put that under here. That one is Daring Dandy, the green shade. I'm really trying to use all the shades. Okay, so this is the Makeup by Mario eyeliner. I'm going to use that under my eye. Pat McGrath eyeliner, liquid liner, and also the mascara. This one is the Fetish Eye mascara. It's my favorite mascara from Pat McGrath. Favorite eyeliner from Pat McGrath. I also like cream eyeliner. They call it Parmagel eyeliner. I like that too. Putting a little line on top of your eyes will make your lashes look more fuller. Okay, I'm done with my eyes. It's so pretty. I'm gonna spray Morphe setting spray. I'm gonna try the highlighter again. I'm gonna see if it's gonna stick after I put the setting spray. Yeah, it's so much better. Okay, I'm gonna use contour for my lip liner, Pat McGrath. Okay, that's great. Contour shade, best one. This one is from the collection. I'm going to show you guys the box. I love it so much. It's so cute. It's Carl. I lent my friend one because she wanted a ball. I think she has negligee Venusian peach, which I'm going to show you guys. And this one is the Elson 5. The blue packaging is so cute. I love it so much. It's so cute. Do you guys know Simply Gilded? Stationery planner, stickers, Simply Gilded. She loves bows. Looks like a Simply Gilded collab. But Bridgerton, there's a lot of bows in that show. So pretty. I think this is the best packaging. All right, this one is Venusian peach, which I love. It is the perfect peach. Goes well with contour lip liner. It's creamy, it's not matte, but it stay puts. It really stay puts for hours. I'm very impressed. Elson 5 is the red lipstick. It's creamy too. Alright guys, so this is the look. It is finished. I love it so much. It's so pretty. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Let me know if you love this look. I love it so much. It's so pretty and soft. I thought the pink is gonna be off, but it's actually good. Very spring, Mother's Day look. Yeah, it's so pretty. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. Let me know in the comment box if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, I love you so much. I missed you. Bye. Happy Mother's Day. Ay, ay.